Hello and sabadi everyone, my name is Nali. So today I want to show you how to make mango sticky rice. In this video, I'm also including how to steam your sticky rice. And if you already know how to cook your sticky rice, you could skip all the way to the minute and 10-second mark. First, let's go get some sweet mangoes. I found mine at my local Walmart for $1.48 each. It's very small, but you know what? It's gonna do. So if you have time, you want to soak your sticky rice overnight, if not, at least for 6 hours. And here's a picture of the bag of sticky rice that I use. So after soaking it for 24 hours, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it again. Then I'm going to steam the sticky rice in my steamer. And when I was cooking my rice in the steamer, I did have it on medium to high heat. And in 15 minutes, your rice should be ready to turn over. So turn over the rice or flip your sticky rice over. And then you also want to cook it for another 15 minutes. So that would be a total of 30 minutes of cooking the sticky rice. And once your sticky rice is cooked, you want to go ahead and put this in a bowl. So this is my opinion only. When it comes to making sticky mango rice, I feel like it doesn't matter what kind of brand you use for the sticky rice. It all works just fine, as long as it says glutinous rice. Okay, time to make our coconut sauce to put in our sticky rice. I'm just using 1 can of coconut milk unsweetened. Any brand is fine as long as it says coconut milk. And for the coconut milk, I'm using 70% of it, and the other 30%, I'm going to save that to make the topping. So in that medium-sized pot, I already added 70% of the coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. And all you have to do is cook this coconut milk sauce for like 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat, just until the salt and sugar gets dissolved. So now that our coconut milk sauce is ready to put in the sticky rice, all I did was pour that coconut milk sauce all over the sticky rice. And when I pour it all over the sticky rice, I'm also mixing it. Once I'm done mixing the coconut sauce into the sticky rice, I'm going to go ahead and cover this up for 30 to 40 minutes and let it set. So now that our coconut sticky rice is ready, let's make the thick sauce for the topping. Remember how earlier for that 1 can of coconut milk, we only used 70%? So this 30% right here, we're using it for the thick sweet topping. So I'm just going to pour in the rest of my coconut milk in there. I also added a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. To get the thickness of the creamy coconut topping, I used tapioca flour, half a tablespoon. So after adding the tapioca flour, I just went ahead and put this on medium heat and just keep on stirring it. I think within like 2-3 minutes, it turns really thick just like this, and that is ready. Now that we got everything all ready, let's go check on our sticky rice. So our coconut sticky rice has been soaked in the coconut sauce for 40 minutes. And just for you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and plate this so pretty. So I got a small cup on the side just in case I want more of the creamy thick topping when I'm eating it. And yep, I love it so much. I'm smothering it all over the sticky rice. For the topping, I normally put like the sesame seed, the regular golden brown one, but I just have the black sesame seed, so that's what I topped it with. And look at our mango. Isn't that so pretty? So I just peeled our mango very thinly and just cut it up. And now it's time to plate it. I mean, look at that, you guys. Isn't that so beautiful? Doesn't that look so delicious? And you guys, now that you guys know how to make the coconut sauce and the coconut cream topping, you could also add durian if you guys like durian.